Good morning, listeners. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Night Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 18 September 2020 in the international market. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve said it would tighten the policy only after inflation saw a sustained overshoot of 2% and until the US labor market reached full employment. Members of the Fed's rate-setting group, the dot plot, saw rates staying unchanged at a range between 0 to 0.25 percentage points through the end of 2023. With this comments from Fed, the US 10-year benchmark is flat for last 2 days and yesterday it closed unchanged at 0.69. In Europe, the Bank of England on Thursday unanimously decided to keep interest rates and its bond purchase program unchanged, but policymakers were also briefed on how the central bank could implement negative interest rates. Yes, you heard it right. Bank of England is not denying a possibility of negative interest rates. In the crude oil market, nothing major in the crude oil market when the crude is stable at $43.30 per barrel. Trading call, flat positions in crude, booked profits in short positions from $44 to $41.70. In the currency market, DXY or the dollar index is at 92.92. Trading range is 92.70 to 93.28. Yesterday, after reaching a high of 73.79, USD INR closed at 73.64, a strong resistance at 73.30, and it seems selling USD INR around 73.70 has become a new successful trade for the last few days. If we talk about the domestic market, government bond prices ended sharply lower yesterday as traders were disappointed with RBI purchasing a lower quantum of the 579 2030 bond at yesterday's special open market operations. The biggest reason for fall in prices was the inadequate purchases by RBI in benchmark paper in yesterday's OMO. For 579 GS 2030 bond, RBI purchased only 2,451 crore. This action triggered a sharp sell-off in the bond markets and 577 GS 2030 closed at 6.03 percentage point yields compared to previous close of 599. After market hours, RBI announced one more 10,000 crore OMO for 24th September. At the same time, also announced switches worth 30,000 crore. Given the aftermarket OMO announcements, market will open positively today, but the weaker demand is likely to be seen in GSEC auctions. Night's expected cutoff ranges for GSEC auctions will be available by 10:30 a.m. today. If you have not subscribed for daily intraday trading ranges, you can reach out to us for 9930307466 or research at nightfintech.com. Today's advice: do not take any fresh positions.